So DRSC is a pre-competitive environment and a consortium established in 2015 by the Parent Project Muscular Dystrophy and Critical Path Institute, coming together in this space to really converge knowledge from drug developers, clinical researchers, and academic researchers, together with advocacy group and advocates, to really bring together the scientific advancement and data to generate analytical power enhanced database. So what we have accomplished since the launch of the consortium, it's really the advancement of some of the quantitative knowledge related to the disease progression of this disease, and collaborating with the regulators together in actually tangible solutions like a clinical trial simulation tool to advance drug development for Duchenne Muscular Dystrophy. We have been able to bring up to speed the drug development space in Duchenne Muscular Dystrophy. And this is, of course, one of the elements that helps the drug development, but within the consortium, we work toward different activities and core competencies, including development of biomarkers and clinical outcome assessments, together, of course, with the model-informed drug development tools. So really combining the knowledge from multiple sources, which includes stakeholders that they are developing drugs, and stakeholders that are working on the clinical research, and also curating the translational science part of the core competencies. I think it's a very important tool for us to advance drug development. It's a very rare and unique environment that we work with, because it's not usual to find all these parties together in one room to discuss potential for therapeutics and how generating tools that advance those trial design, and how can we access faster to a better trial design for Duchenne Muscular Dystrophy. So one of the components is really the unicity of this complex context that is a part of the rarity of the disease, but really bringing together multiple nonprofit organizations that are collaborating in this space together with industry, and are actually talking to clinical and academic researchers. This would not happen otherwise as often as we do in our monthly consortium meetings and conversations that we have really often. And the other unique part is really having the advantage of relating to the regulators as our liaison, and so early feedback on some of the tools that we're building, it's what really makes this very important and really efficient. We recently integrated the consortium into the Rare and Orphan Disease program, and this is one of the first approaches that we have for us to start fighting multiple rare diseases all together as an organization. So it is really one of the biggest achievements, and we really look forward to continuing this process. We were already initiating this process as part of the condensation of data into the RDC-ADAPT, the Rare Disease Cure Accelerator platform, where most of the Duchenne data will be hosted moving forward, and we hope that moving forward data custodians will feel more willing to share and to contribute to the great analytical power that the platform proposes. So another tool that the platform is giving us, the RDC-ADAPT platform, and will be the platform of the launch of our first clinical trial simulation tool within the consortium. So this is going to give us really the opportunity to not only provide data, but also tools that advance the use, and so empowerment of the data that have been shared once more for a secondary use that actually goes back to the patients and patient community that we know are a strong part of this organization and collaboratory.